Brent crude oil jumped to $100 per barrel. Global oil markets experienced a sudden disruption when Brent crude oil surged to $100 per barrel, its highest point in months. Houthi rebels based on Yemen launched missile and drone strikes against Saudi oil tankers traveling through the Red Sea. Tensions flared near the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most critical sea lanes for global oil transportation. Saudi Arabia had been moving oil via pipelines to the Red Sea to bypass earlier blockades in the Strait of Hormuz. Attacks in both locations left shippers with very few safe routes out of the region. Threat of attack forced some ships to reroute around Africa, adding extra travel time and fuel, while marine insurance prices doubled for ships staying in the area. Fearing that world fuel supplies would run low, oil traders quickly brought up contracts, driving global oil prices past $100 a barrel. Oil prices began to cool off and stabilize by the weekend. The market calmed down following reports that China and Pakistan were actively attempting diplomatic mediation to help lower tensions between the involved nations.